It's a beautiful day, the open road is calling, the adrenaline is pumping, and then it happens. The keys to that Ducati, the symbol of freedom and thrill, are nowhere to be found. A common predicament indeed. But fret not, for the solution is just a simple call away. Welcome to ACM Locksmith Group's Mailin Service, your answer to lost Ducati keys. This service is a lifesaver for Ducati owners, providing a seamless, convenient, and efficient way to replace those elusive keys and get back to the ride you love. Here's how it works. First, you'll need to mail in your Ducati's ignition lock and dashboard cluster, or speedo. This might sound daunting, but it's actually quite straightforward. Once we receive the parts, we need to help you. Our team of skilled locksmiths will then create a new set of keys that perfectly matches your ignition by decoding the existing cuts and pre-programming the chip data from the new key. So basically, we take care of programming the newly cut keys, ensuring they are ready to rev up your Ducati as soon as they reach your hands. We will make a new key from scratch and then program new transponder chips into the system, so the anti-theft system will allow the bike to start. Now, you might be thinking, what about security? Rest assured, at ACM Locksmith Group, we prioritize your security. Our mail-in service is confidential, and we handle your parts and new keys and key data with the utmost care and discretion. We also provide tracking for every package so you can monitor your parts and keys every step of the way. We even add signature required to the package to make sure you are the one who receives it. And the best part? You don't have to leave the comfort of your home or deal with the hassle of scheduling appointments. No more long waiting times for someone who may or may not show up, or inconvenient trips to the dealer and having the bike towed just to wait days or weeks to get a new key for it. With our mail-in service, you can get your new Ducati keys delivered right to your doorstep in usually a week or so. In essence, ACM Locksmith Group's mail-in service is a game changer for Ducati owners facing the all-too-common problem of lost keys. It's swift, convenient, secure, and efficient, saving you time and stress. So the next time you find yourself keyless, remember, the solution is just a mail-in service away. Embrace the freedom of the open road and the thrill of your Ducati, knowing that even if those keys decide to play hide and seek, ACM Locksmith Group has got you covered. Call today at 678-699-2634. And as usual, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can also follow us on TikTok for updates to our products and services. Again, we can be reached at 678-699-2634.